Greetings, people of the interwebs, and today we've got a slightly different version of a video. Something I've only done a couple of times before, but I've got my cardigan on, I've got my big glasses on. That might give you a clue. It shouldn't do. It has literally nothing to do with what I'm doing. We're going to do a bit of a unboxing video.
Swagger down the street with your red lips and funky beat. You better hold your head up to the sky. I'm gonna roll with you till the day I die.
And the reason is that today in the post this arrived. Now this is a little envelope from our friend Robson Rover Repairs. Look at that cool little sticker as well. It's all oil slicky. Look, ooh, cool. And it says on it, "Thank you for supporting Robson Rover Repair, Colin." So yeah, if you didn't know, Robson Rover Repair is Colin. Colin is Robson Rover Repairs. He is our Northern Islands version of Rob from Beards and Bangers. He buys all the Rovers. All the Rovers, Colin owns them, or has owned them at some point. So yeah, let's have a look, see what's in this little pack. Basically, I became a member, and I got this little pack. So that's the cool thing about memberships. You might not be a member of some channels. You might be a member of some channels, but some of those channels do nice things for members. So without further ado, let's have a look, see what's in this little envelope in overpay. Oh, this is strange, isn't it? Look, you can see my hands. So let's have a look. In fact, oh, we've got a tool for this. Yeah, I knew it'd come in useful having a Stanley knife. A Stanley knife in here one day. Other knives are available. This is very expertly happening, isn't it? Here we go. There we go. I hope there weren't any budgerigars in here. Then I've just decapitated them. That'd be awful, wouldn't it? Someone posting you a budgerigar in an envelope, and then all of a sudden it's decapitated. So even more of a suspense. Ooh, look, you can see a distorted me. Look, it's an air freshener. Handyman's Gloopy Fondant HGF. Can you see that? So it's the smell of a failed head gasket. I've got my glasses on, I can't read it. God, I'm getting old. That sweet, sweet smell of success. Very nice. Cinnamon scented air freshener, very good. So that'll go in one of the cars. I don't know which one yet. There's something else in here. Some little sticky Aronis. Look, and they're oil slicks as well. Oil slicks are the best stickers to have. Which reminds me, I need to order some oil slick vinyl. But look at them. They're very cool, aren't they? Very nice. Is there anything there? Oh, there's something else, I think. Oh, a cool little rubbery key ring. Robson Rover Repairs. Little rubbery key ring. Very good. Very good. I think that's it. I don't think there's... oh, there's just... Hang on. Just a £50 note there for me doing this promotion video. So there you go. So, yes, this is an example of the kind of thing that some YouTubers... give away to their members. So if you're thinking of becoming a member to a channel, do it. Have a look at the perks. Quite often, YouTubers will give more than one level. In fact, let me talk to you about this while you're looking at me rather than at this. So you're considering becoming a YouTube member. Well, let me talk about YouTube memberships. quite often channels will have more than one level. So for example, on mine, I've got from cheapest to more expensive, skimmed, semi-skimmed and full fat. But you'll find other ones like, I think Joseph's are called after different cars, and I think Boaty's different levels of trim or something like that. I can't remember, but yes, you can offer different levels, and the idea is the higher up membership level that you are, there's better perks. So it might be the lower one, you get to see member only videos or videos earlier than non-members. The second one, you might get to see the same perks as level 1, but plus, I don't know, having your name at the end of a video or something. And the third one would be the same perks as in 1 and 2, only it might be something like you get to have the YouTube presenter's firstborn son as a sacrifice on some date in 2027. I don't know. There's loads of different ones, depending on what type of channel it is, obviously. I don't think YouTube would condone sacrificial perks though. So if that's the sort of thing you're after, you're probably out of luck. But yeah, as I say, different perks, different channels will have different levels and different perks in those levels. But the main reason for becoming a member, well, actually, the main reason for YouTubers doing memberships, is to try and grow the fan base and have that fan base become more interactive with what's going on, and 2 is to try and get a bit of revenue on there, because contrary to popular belief, you have got to have got a lot of subscribers to even attempt to make a decent amount of money on it. And obviously then it's not like a steady income, is it? It goes up and down. If you didn't put any videos out, you're not going to get any views on there. And it's the views mainly when you're fully monetized that gives you the revenue on there. So until that point, memberships is a good way, because that is, as long as people don't cancel them, a guaranteed chunk every month on there. So yes, if you are considering becoming a member of a channel, or even if it's not something you've ever thought about before, and you've got a favourite channel, go and have a look, see if they do memberships, and if they do, see what the perks are, because I can guarantee you that YouTuber will be very grateful for however many people become members, and give them that motivation. To be honest, it's one that it can be very demotivating as a YouTuber, to spend all your time putting out this content and spending money on microphones. Could you hear that? I don't know why I'm doing that. Microphones and camera gear and tripods and Hot Wheels, but that's not really anything to do with what I'm doing, and camera mounts and funny effect props and all sorts of things. You'd be surprised how much goes into just doing silliness. So yes, any of those YouTubers will be grateful for a little bit of income to try and offset that massive difference. If you think about it, for example, me, I don't get my videos aren't monetized. If I go to a car show, right, maybe let's say it cost me 20 quid in fuel, so 20 quid down already. Maybe this show cost me cheap £5 to get in, or maybe it'll be a bit more, but we'll say 25 quid. I don't earn 25 quid off YouTube views, so I'm already out of pocket, and that's before you take into account the gear to get there and back and stuff. So we don't do it for the money, but any bit of money is very helpful. Well, I bet some of them do it for the money, and I bet you can tell which ones do it for the money, because they're the ones that play every angle. So yes, that's just a little video on memberships and this cool merch from Robson Rover Repair, which is probably backwards on this camera. Oh, never mind. That'll be for you people in the nether world. You can watch that. So yes, thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Become a member if you want to become a member. And I shall see you next time on a Hubnut video. No, I won't.
Thank you.